Ever wondered how your favorite bottle of Coca-Cola is made? From simple ingredients to millions of bottles shipped worldwide every single day, the process is fast, precise, and surprisingly high-tech. Today, we're going inside a Coca-Cola factory to see exactly how it's made. Let's get started. Everything begins with the famous Coca-Cola syrup. The recipe is one of the most closely guarded trade secrets in the world, originally created by John Stith Pemberton in 1886. At the factory, workers carefully measure and mix concentrated flavoring ingredients in large stainless steel tanks. This syrup includes sweeteners, natural flavors, caramel color, and acids for that signature tangy taste. The exact formula is protected, and only a small number of people know the full recipe. Since Coca-Cola is mostly water, quality control here is serious business. Before production begins, water goes through multiple purification stages. It's filtered, softened, and treated to remove impurities. The goal is to make sure the taste stays consistent whether you're drinking it in Pakistan, the United States, or anywhere else in the world. Consistency is everything. Now comes the fun part. The purified water is mixed with the concentrated syrup in precise ratios. Computers control the mixture to ensure every batch tastes exactly the same. After mixing, carbon dioxide gas is added under pressure. This creates the bubbles that give Coca-Cola its refreshing fizz. This process is called carbonation. The liquid is kept cold during this stage because cold liquids absorb carbon dioxide more effectively. In many factories, bottles are actually made on site. Small plastic tubes called preforms are heated and blown into bottle shapes using high-pressure air. This process happens in seconds. For glass bottles or cans, they arrive ready-made from suppliers and are thoroughly cleaned before filling. Now the carbonated drink moves to the filling line. High-speed machines fill hundreds of bottles per minute. The process happens in a sealed environment to keep everything clean and hygienic. Right after filling, caps are placed and tightly sealed. For cans, lids are pressed and sealed in place instantly. No human hands touch the drink during this stage. Before any bottle leaves the factory, it goes through strict quality checks. Machines scan each bottle to check fill level, cap tightness, label alignment, and packaging quality. Random samples are also tested in labs to ensure taste, carbonation level, and safety meet company standards. If anything doesn't pass inspection, it's removed immediately. Next, bottles receive their labels. Some factories use printed shrink labels while others use adhesive labels. After labeling, bottles are grouped into packs, wrapped in plastic, or placed into cartons. Robotic arms stack the finished packs onto pallets ready for shipping. Finally, trucks load the pallets and deliver them to stores, restaurants, and vending machines around the world. From factory floor to your fridge, the journey can take just a few days. And that's how Coca-Cola is made in a factory. A combination of secret recipes, advanced technology, and strict quality control makes sure every bottle tastes exactly the same.